Alright, I guess it's time to fix this lax clutch going in. Let's get it sorted. So if you can hear that, that squeak, if you listen carefully, and then when I just touch the pedal, gone. So first thing I'm going to do before I take the gearbox out is just take off my center console. Just like that. Alright, so once you take that console bit off, just this, you don't need to take off the whole thing. You just take off this boot, and that's the top of your gearbox. You got your normal shifter and your four-wheel drive one. Might need to take off this shifter, just those bolts, but we'll see if we can do it without it. So I've got the drive shafts out. That one's just hanging. Gearbox is nearly ready to come out. Just need to take the last few bell housing bolts, and then this whole cross member comes out, and we'll get the trolley up to it. And took the starter out as well, and it should just come out. It's only took it like an hour and a half. Also, once you've cracked the rear bell housing bolt, I think this one's the hardest, if you can see. Like that, yeah, that one. And it's out. So you can see where the release bearing's just been contacting the fingers on the pressure plate, and that's where it's been wearing, and it's been like wearing unevenly just over time, and that's where I get that sound from. And then there's a few heat spots on the flywheel. It's pretty normal, but just have to get that grinded out. While I'm here, I'm going to do the rear main seal because that's slightly leaking, and my turbo oil drain, seeing as this flexi here is prone to cracking. So I've got to take the what's it called, rear main seal out because it's weeping a little bit, and while I'm here it's easy to do. Also did the oil drain pipe, if it focused, yep, that thing that was cracking, that cracked on the flexi joint, so that took a little bit. It was pretty annoying, but did that, new gaskets and copper washer as well. So now I'm just gonna chuck a screw through the rear main and try to pull it out, and yeah. Also just sitting this flywheel on so I can take this pilot bearing out. Got a new one of them. Yeah. And got this puller that goes in, and then you just tighten that and it comes out. And just start cranking this thing until it comes out. Pretty much. So now just tightening these up in a crisscross pattern. Got my bent valve. Stick that in here just to lock it up. Then you won't have to, well then it won't spin. Just like that. Then torque up the flywheel bolts to 131 foot-pounds, and then I think the clutch ones were about 14. New pivot installed, and we have a new clutch fork. Got a new release bearing as well, genuine, with the spring, and yeah, new clutches in, that's good, and yeah, pressure plate clutch, and yeah, that's the old clutch fork. release bearing. Yeah, pretty rooted, but yeah. Just chuck the shifters on. Gotta put this breather back on here. And when you put a new clutch in, it feels way lighter. Throw these back on. The 4-drive on. Now, video from cold. As you can see, cold. No squeak. No squeak.